Do you say he go to school every day? Not quite. Let's fix that in 3 minutes. Just bear with me and let's learn present simple. So this is how we use the present simple. Number 1, habits and routines. I wake up at 7 a.m. Number 2, facts and general truths. The sun rises in the east. And number 3, timetables and schedules. The train leaves at 9 p.m. And this is how we use the present simple. How to form present simple sentences starting with I. I work. You work. We work. They work. Well, what about he, she, and it? We have to say works. We have to add an S for he, she, and it. Then keep it in mind, for those verbs that end in ch, x, and sh, we have to add es, like washes, watches. Now for forming the negative sentences, I have to use do or does. I say, I don't work. You don't work. We don't work. They don't work. But for he, she, and it, again, we use does here. Just pay close attention to this one. She doesn't work. He doesn't work. It doesn't work. All right? So again, keep it in mind, we don't need to add s for our main verb, which is work here, because we already have does. So how can I make a present simple question? Again, I have to use do or does. For example, do you work? Or does she like you? Okay. And it was just present simple. Yeah. So let's see if you have understood the lesson well. The first sentence. Does you like it here? For you, we didn't use does, we use do, right?
Do you like it here?
And the next one.
Do she likes it here? Do she likes it here?
It's she, so we have to use does, right?
Does she likes it here?
Likes? So we have does, right? We have do or does. We don't need to use s.
Does she like it here?
So keep it in mind. So the quick rule and the quick recap was we use do for I, you, we, and they. And we use does for he, she, and it. That's great. Now it's your turn. Make a question using do or does and comment. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grammar hacks every week. See ya.